Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Shark PowerDetect self-empty robot vacuum, a powerhouse designed to tackle pet hair, carpets, and hard floors with ease. This innovative vacuum boasts 3 deep cleaning technologies that detect hidden dirt, adapt to different floor types, and clean edges for up to 50% better debris pickup compared to previous models. With NeverStuck technology, it navigates obstacles and thresholds effortlessly, ensuring you won't have to babysit your robot for up to twice the coverage. The DirtDetect technology senses unseen debris, automatically boosting suction, while EdgeDetect uses air blasts to pull debris from corners and edges, enhancing its cleaning path. Shark's Floor Detect technology optimizes brush roll engagement for maximized performance on any surface, and with true HEPA filtration, it captures 99.97% of dust and allergens, keeping your air clean. The robot empties itself into a bagless base with a 30-day capacity, eliminating the need for disposal bags, and its advanced object detection allows it to navigate around or over obstacles seamlessly. Customize your cleaning experience with map editing, targeted cleaning, and no-go zones, and enjoy the convenience of setting schedules or cleaning on demand with the included PowerDetect robot and self-empty base.